Alright, well, I have a new audio setup, and if it works, I will add the ingredients that I use at the end of this video. Otherwise, it'll be another voiceover if I even publish it. So we are on another motorcycle ride today. Today is the 2nd of December, and I think the temperature, according to the moto, is 57 degrees out right now. It's overcast. It's supposed to be like this all day. It's not supposed to rain until 7 o'clock, but in the event it does sprinkle, I have rain gear this time. We're on our way down to meet some other monkeys down at in Urbana, Virginia, at a restaurant called Something Different. So see how that is. They got barbecue and I guess just regular American cuisine. I'm not 130% sure, but looking forward to meeting up with John, and I think Daryl's going to be there, and Rebecca and myself will be the only ones. The other guys aren't able to attend, and we'll be missing them, but you know, life is it's the holiday season. People are traveling, visiting family, so hopefully they are safe in their travels and in their endeavors, so to speak. But yeah, it's been a rough year again for me, but hopefully you know, as I always say, maybe I'll get back into making videos. It's just there's not a lot of time these days, it seems. I've been in my new job now for not quite a year, and trying to settle into that. And then now this time of year, by the time you get home at 6 o'clock, it's dark already, so you can't really, it feels like you're already out of time when it's dark when you get home. But anyway, I'm not making excuses for anything. I just wanted to start another vlog here on the Tiger, and see how this audio setup works this time. At any rate, once we get closer to the restaurant, I'll turn the camera back on and record our little extent there, and then come back home and see if I got anything else to say. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys again here in a bit. Right, well, that was a quick meal. I will tell you, we will probably be going back to this place at some point in the future. They have a variety of a menu, anywhere from barbecue pork, brisket, Texas barbecue brisket, and I got what they call the Southern Comfort, which was a pimento cheese sandwich with ham and brisket. Holy hell, was that so damn good. I'm not even going to have to look at the menu when I go back. And they also has some hoe cakes and molasses. They got chips, like potato chips. I guess they deep fry it instead of French fries. They also have French fries. They've got a lot of different things in there to eat. So if you're ever near Urbana and you want to stop in a restaurant that's very popular and got some very good food, then they have a big smoker out back, so they're smoking all their own food right there. It's called Something Different on Virginia Street in Urbana, Virginia. Highly recommend it. So yeah, it was good to see Daryl and John today on the ride. It looks like it's going to rain, but I don't think it's in the forecast for, I don't know here, but at Bowling Green it's not supposed to rain until I think 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. So we're going to avoid it, and the temperature is like 67 degrees right now. It's unreal. And so it was nice to get out on a bike. It's nice to see the guys before the holiday season and before the weather gets really bad where we're not going to be able to get out, because it's only a matter of time before the temperatures start dropping and they put salt, and then there's ice and snow on the roads, and then we won't ride. So yep, that's what went on today. It was a good day, good visit, good dinner, nice ride. About an hour and just under an hour and 15 minutes for me from home, so just right, you know, without having to worry about stopping on the way there. Other than that, life goes on. And my next video, I've got a channel announcement to make, so that ought to be fun. And I'm going to get rid of this thing. This thing's starting to bother me. I don't know if anybody else uses them on bikes like this, but I mean, it works, but it's starting to annoy me a little bit. Anyway, I'm jumping around, changing the subject on things. Anyway, I hope everybody is doing well. Hope everybody has a good Christmas. If you celebrate Christmas or whatever holidays you celebrate, if any, this time of year, have a good one. Spend some time with your family. Check on loved ones. Check on a friend. and just be good in general. And hopefully next year will bring new creative ideas to me, and I'll get on with this video stuff. Anyway, I'm going to let the camera roll here for a few, probably for the rest of the ride home. It's pretty boring. It's a straight road just like this. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Be safe. Later.